Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard pickles. First, select about 2 pounds of crisp pickling cucumbers. Wash them thoroughly and slice them into spears or rounds, roughly 3 inches long. Next, prepare your basic pickling brine. Combine 1 part vinegar with 1 part water and add 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. Bring this mixture to a boil to dissolve the salt completely. This forms the foundation for our delicious pickles. Now, let's create that signature honey mustard flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. You can also add a ½ teaspoon of turmeric for a vibrant color and a subtle earthy note. Ensure all ingredients are well combined to form a smooth, aromatic sauce. This blend will infuse your pickles with their unique sweet and tangy profile. With your cucumbers sliced and your honey mustard sauce ready, it's time to assemble. Tightly pack the cucumber pieces into clean, sterilized glass jars. Next, evenly distribute the honey mustard sauce among the jars, pouring it directly over the cucumbers. Finally, carefully pour the hot pickling brine over everything, ensuring the cucumbers are fully submerged. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar before sealing. To ensure shelf stability, process your sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool completely on a counter. For the best flavor development, allow your honey mustard pickles to cure for at least 2 weeks before opening. Store the sealed jars in a cool, dark place, and they will maintain their delicious taste for up to 1 year. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.